Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are trying to see what exactly is this new term called highest common factor between two or more numbers, okay? So we shall start off with an example. List the factors of 14 and 28. The numbers are small, so it's relatively simple. 1, 2, 7, 14. That will be for 14. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. And we can then circle the common factors of 14 and 28. And I'm going to circle with another color so that it's easier for you all to see. Circle the common factor first, huh? So I'm going to highlight instead of circle. 1 is a common, 2 is common, 7 is common, and 14 is common. And out of these 4, what then is the highest? Out of these 4, yes, the highest would be 14. And so, we have just learned that there is this number called the highest common factor between two or more positive whole numbers, which can divide the numbers without a remainder. And it's very important that you all need to know that it is a whole number, okay? We have come to the end of this video, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you and have a nice day.